ChatGPT just got a $200 price tag. Here's what you can use instead. As an indie founder, you're likely no stranger to bootstrapping and finding creative ways to save money. With the recent announcement of ChatGPT's $200 price tag, many of us are left wondering what alternatives are available. In this video, we'll explore 5 free AI chatbot alternatives that can help you automate tasks, generate content, and improve productivity. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which tools are best suited for your business needs and how to get started with them. The first alternative on our list is Perplexity. This AI chatbot is designed to provide more in-depth and nuanced responses than traditional chatbots. One of the key features that sets Perplexity apart is its ability to understand context and provide follow-up responses that are relevant to the conversation. For example, if you're discussing a topic like marketing strategy, Perplexity can provide suggestions for improving your social media presence and offer tips for creating engaging content. To get started with Perplexity, simply visit their website and sign up for a free account. From there, you can begin experimenting with the chatbot and see how it can help you with tasks like content generation and research. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities and free pricing tier, Perplexity is an excellent option for indie founders looking for a ChatGPT alternative. Another alternative worth considering is Jasper. This AI chatbot is specifically designed for content generation and can help with tasks like writing blog posts, creating social media content, and even generating entire books. One of the key benefits of using Jasper is its ability to learn your writing style and tone over time, allowing it to generate content that sounds like it was written by you. For example, if you're a fiction author, Jasper can help you generate character backstories, plot outlines, and even entire chapters. To get started with Jasper, simply sign up for a free account on their website and begin experimenting with the chatbot. With its advanced content generation capabilities and free pricing tier, Jasper is an excellent option for indie founders looking to automate their content creation tasks. If you're looking for a more general-purpose AI chatbot, you may want to consider 11 Labs. This chatbot is designed to provide a wide range of functionalities, from answering questions and providing information to generating content, and even helping with tasks like language translation. One of the key features that sets 11 Labs apart is its ability to understand and respond to natural language inputs, allowing you to interact with the chatbot in a more conversational way. For example, if you're planning a trip to a foreign country, 11 Labs can help you generate a packing list, provide information on local customs and traditions, and even offer suggestions for restaurants and attractions to visit. To get started with 11 Labs, simply visit their website and sign up for a free account. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities and free pricing tier, 11 Labs is an excellent option for indie founders looking for a versatile AI chatbot. The fourth alternative on our list is Notion. While not strictly a chatbot, Notion is a powerful productivity tool that includes a range of AI-powered features, including a chatbot-like interface for interacting with your notes and tasks. One of the key benefits of using Notion is its ability to provide a centralized hub for all of your productivity needs, allowing you to manage tasks, projects, and even entire businesses from a single interface. For example, if you're a freelancer, Notion can help you generate invoices, track time spent on projects, and even provide suggestions for improving your workflow. To get started with Notion, simply sign up for a free account on their website and begin experimenting with the tool. With its advanced productivity features and free pricing tier, Notion is an excellent option for indie founders looking to streamline their workflow. The final alternative on our list is Descript. This AI chatbot is specifically designed for audio and video editing tasks. It can help with everything from transcribing interviews to generating music tracks. One of the key features that sets Descript apart is its ability to understand and respond to natural language inputs, allowing you to interact with the chatbot in a more conversational way. For example, if you're a podcaster, Descript can help you generate transcripts of your episodes, provide suggestions for improving your audio quality, and even offer tips for creating engaging video content. To get started with Descript, simply visit their website and sign up for a free account. With its advanced audio and video editing capabilities and free pricing tier, Descript is an excellent option for indie founders looking to automate their media production tasks. In addition to these 5 alternatives, it's worth noting that there are many other AI chatbots available that can help with specific tasks and workflows. For example, if you're looking for a chatbot that can help with customer support tasks, you may want to consider a tool like MiniChat or ChatFuel. If you're looking for a chatbot that can help with language translation tasks, you may want to consider a tool like Google Translate or Microsoft Translator. By exploring these different options and finding the ones that best fit your needs, you can save time and money while also improving your productivity and workflow. When choosing an AI chatbot alternative to ChatGPT, there are several factors to consider. First and foremost, you'll want to think about the specific tasks and workflows you need help with, and choose a chatbot that is well suited to those needs. You'll also want to consider the pricing tier and whether the chatbot offers a free option or a free trial. Additionally, you may want to read reviews and do some research to get a sense of the chatbot's capabilities and limitations. By taking the time to carefully evaluate your options and choose the right chatbot for your needs, you can get the most out of your investment and achieve your goals more efficiently. Another important consideration when choosing an AI chatbot is the level of customization and control it offers. Some chatbots may offer more advanced features and settings that allow you to tailor the experience to your specific needs. Others may be more limited in their capabilities, but still offer a high level of ease of use and accessibility. By thinking carefully about your needs and preferences, you can choose a chatbot that offers the right balance of features and usability. For example, if you're looking for a chatbot that can help with content generation tasks, you may want to consider a tool like Jasper or Perplexity, which offer advanced features and settings for customizing the output. Finally, it's worth noting that the world of AI chatbots is constantly evolving, with new tools and technologies emerging all the time. By staying up to date with the latest developments and advancements in the field, you can stay ahead of the curve and take advantage of the latest innovations and improvements. For example, you may want to follow industry leaders and experts on social media or attend conferences and workshops to learn more about the latest trends and technologies. By being proactive and engaged, you can get the most out of your AI chatbot investment and achieve your goals more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more information on AI chatbots and how to use them to improve your productivity and workflow, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. In our next video, we'll be exploring the top 5 AI-powered project management tools for indie founders.